Hello friends, welcome to HTML video tutorials series. In the previous video, we understood the difference between HTML inline level tags and block level tags. Based on how the HTML tags are displayed in the browser, HTML tags are categorized into inline level tags and block level tags. In this video, I would like to discuss difference between HTML paired tags and unpaired tags. Based on how do we write HTML tags? HTML tags are categorized into HTML paired tags and HTML unpaired tags, guys. HTML paired tags come with separate opening tag and separate closing tag. They always appear in a pair, guys. They are always written in a pair. HTML paired tags come with separate opening tag and a separate closing tag. How do we write opening tag? We write less than, we write the tag name, then we write greater than. That indicates opening tag. How do we write closing tag? We write less than, / tag name, greater than. That indicates closing tag. Here HTML tag is a paired tag. It is a paired tag. You see, we have opening HTML tag, we have closing HTML tag. So it is a paired tag, guys. Opening tag indicates the beginning of something, closing tag indicates end of something. Here opening HTML tag indicates beginning of HTML document, closing HTML tag indicates end of HTML document. Head tag indicates the head section. It indicates the head section. It is a paired tag. We write opening head tag, we write closing head tag. Opening head tag indicates the beginning of head section, closing head tag indicates end of head section. Body tag is also pair tag. We write opening body tag and we write closing body tag. Opening body tag indicates the beginning of body section, closing body tag indicates end of body section. H3, all the heading tags are paired tags. Opening H3, closing H3. Opening strong, closing strong. So it is also pair tag, guys. So here you can see HTML tag is a pair tag. Opening HTML tag indicates beginning of HTML document, closing HTML tag indicates end of HTML document. Here we have the head section. Opening head tag, closing head tag. It is a paired tag. Opening head tag indicates the beginning of head section, closing head tag indicates end of head section. Here title tag is a paired tag. Opening title tag we have, closing title tag we have. So they always appear in a pair, guys. Anything we write in between the title tag, it is set as the web page title, right? Opening body tag, closing body tag. So body tag is a paired tag. Opening body tag indicates beginning of body section, closing body tag indicates end of body section. Here H3 is a paired tag. We have written opening H3, closing H3. Okay. Next we have unpaired tags. Unpaired tags come with only opening tag without closing tag. We write only opening tag. We don't write closing tag for unpaired tags. For example, BR tag. BR tag is an unpaired tag. HR tag is an unpaired tag. IMG tag is an unpaired tag. So you can see here we have BR tag. It is used to line break, right? Or break the line. We are writing only opening BR. We are not writing here closing BR tag. We are not writing the associated closing BR tag. We are not writing this. Not in a pair. We write only opening BR. So it is an unpaired tag. HR tag is also unpaired tag. We write just opening HR. We don't write closing HR here. HR tag is used to display horizontal line, guys. You can see we have two horizontal lines here because we have two HR tags. Understanding? And remember, sometimes you see less than, BR, / greater than written. Okay, before HTML5 we used to write the unpaired tags like this, guys. Less than, tag name, / greater than. Now we can skip this one. We can just use less than, tag name, greater than for unpaired tags. IMG tag is also unpaired tag. IMG, just we write like this. Sometimes we write like this also. In between we add attributes like src attribute we can use here in the IMG to define the source of the image. Here inside we can use the color attribute to assign the color for the horizontal line. If I say here red, save, come to browser and reload, it will get displayed in the red color, guys. So we can add attributes inside the tags. Understanding? So that is about the difference between paired tags and unpaired tags. So you should be able to differentiate which one is a pair tag, which one is the unpaired tag in HTML, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. In the upcoming video tutorials, we discuss more about HTML. We discuss all the HTML tags available in HTML. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep designing, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.